Hello again, my dear students. In this part, we are going to read a model text about persons, skills and qualities. And after reading this text or this paragraph, you are going to complete a table saying what is the best job for this person and what is the worst job for this person, and mention also why. Let's go. This person wrote, I am very good at art. I like drawing and designing things. However, I'm not very sociable. I'm shy, so I don't find it easy to talk to people. I'm good at working on my own. I'm very motivated and I don't need anyone else to tell me what to do. I am hard-working and very creative. I've got good mathematical knowledge, and I am not bad at science. I don't mind working outdoors. Now, my dear students, look at the table and try to complete the table. We have here best job. Why? What is your opinion? Now, what do you think the best job for this person? If you are going to choose a best job for this person, what would it be? There are so many jobs that suit this person, but I chose architect, اللي هو مهندس معماري. Why? First, he likes drawing and designing things, and architects should know these things. He is very creative, and this is also one of the qualities of architects. He is good at maths and science. He likes working outdoors. And you know, architects work outdoors. Now, what is your opinion? You would say, I agree. I think he makes a good architect. Now, let's look at the table at the bottom. Worst job, why, and what's your opinion? Now, what do you think the worst job for this person would be? A teacher, yeah? Especially a science teacher. Why? Because he's not very sociable, and teachers should be sociable because they work with many people, with students. He's shy, and a teacher can't be shy. He doesn't find it easy to talk to people. A teacher talks to people all the time because his job is talking. And he likes working on his own. A teacher should work in groups with many people. Now, what is your opinion? I agree also. I think he doesn't have the required skills and qualities for a science teacher. Now, my dear students, after we've done this exercise, in the next part, I'm going to give you another model text, and you are going to do it on your own in the same way to fill a table about the best job for this person and the worst job for this person. See you in the next part.